In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send or share a Google Sheet on WhatsApp. This simple and quick process ensures that your important data or collaboration files are sent effectively, whether you're connecting with colleagues, friends, or family. Let's dive into the steps together. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Sheet on your laptop or PC. It's important to ensure that you're all set up on a desktop environment because the sharing features we're going to use are easiest to navigate on a larger screen. Once your document is open in Google Sheets, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Share. Clicking on this button will open the sharing options for your document. This is an integral step because through this option, you can manage who can access or edit your sheet. Once you've clicked Share, navigate to the section labeled Get Link. Here, you'll find an option to copy link. Click on this and your document's shareable link will be copied to your clipboard. It's essentially like creating a direct line to your Google Sheet, ready to be shared with anyone whom you want to have access. Next, take a moment to ensure that your link settings align with your intentions. You have the option to adjust these settings so the recipient can either view or edit the document. This is a crucial step, especially if your aim is to collaborate with the person receiving the link. To do this, click on the Anyone with the Link drop-down menu and choose the appropriate setting. Whether it's Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, select what's best for your needs. All right, we're making great progress. The next step is to open WhatsApp Web. Simply navigate to web.whatsapp.com using your browser. Alternatively, you can also use the WhatsApp app on your phone if that's more convenient for you. Once you've got WhatsApp open, think about who needs to receive this Google Sheet. Select either a contact or a group that you want to send the link to. If you're using WhatsApp for work or personal reasons, selecting the right group or individual contact will make sure your message goes to the right place smoothly and efficiently. Finally, paste the link you copied earlier into the chat where your contact or group is already opened. Press Enter, and just like that, you've sent the link to your Google Sheet. This simple action provides instant access to your document for the recipient, allowing seamless communication and collaboration. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to share your Google Sheet on WhatsApp. This straightforward approach ensures that you're able to work collaboratively or share data effortlessly with anyone you choose. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you enhance your digital communication.